In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the ownership of a Wix website. So for this, you want to go to Wix, go to this My Site page where you find all of your websites. Now, once you've found and selected the one you want to do this with, you want to click on Site Actions, and then right there will say Transfer Site. You want to click on that, which should launch this pop-up, and on here, you can actually do this. So give ownership of this site to another person. Who will be the new site owner? Enter an email address. So you can enter an email address right there from the person that you want to transfer the site to. So enter his or her email address right there. And you can choose to do a couple of things. So you can keep yourself as an admin of this site after the transfer. So let's say that you change the ownership, but you still want to be an admin. So let's say you've made a deal or you just want to transfer it to a friend, but you'll still be managing the page, the website. You can choose to do this. If you want more information on that, click on the info box. So this pretty much means that you can keep contributing to this site as an admin. After the transfer, the new site owner can remove you if they want. So that's an option. Or you can create a copy of this site and keep it in my account. So once the site is transferred, a copy of it will show up in your account. So if you would like to transfer it, but you also want to make sure that it's still there for you because you want to duplicate it, replicate it, whatever, you can also do that, but I'll leave that up to you. So choose an option, click on next, and right here you can actually double check these details before transferring the site. So click on transfer ownership right there, and that's how you can transfer the ownership of a website on Wix. If this quick video helps you out, I would appreciate it if you can leave a like. That would help me out, and then I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.